Welcome to Floor Land. If you're looking to elevate your window treatments, understanding the different types of curtain hooks is essential. In today's video, we'll explore 9 different types of curtain hooks that can enhance your curtain's functionality and style. Whether you're going for a modern or classic look, there's a hook for every design. Let's dive in. 1. Pin hooks. Pin hooks are a popular choice for pleated curtains. They have a sharp pin at the back, allowing them to pierce through the fabric and attach to curtain rings or tracks. Perfect for creating a clean, tailored look. 2. Pleater hooks. Also known as pinch pleat hooks, these hooks are designed to create beautiful, uniform pleats. They're ideal for adding a touch of elegance to formal living rooms or dining areas. 3. S-hooks. S-hooks are simple yet versatile. Shaped like the letter S, they're easy to use with eyelet curtains or curtain rings. They're great for creating a relaxed, casual vibe. 4. Clip rings. Clip rings combine a curtain ring with a small clip, making them perfect for lightweight curtains. They offer a contemporary, minimalist look and are super easy to install. 5. Eyelet hooks. These hooks work with curtains that have built-in eyelets. 6. Track gliders. Track gliders are specifically designed for curtain tracks. These hooks slide smoothly along the track, making them perfect for heavy curtains that need to open and close with ease. 7. Round rings with hooks. These rings come with attached hooks, making them a versatile option for various curtain types. They add a touch of sophistication. 8. Gather hooks. Gather hooks are used for curtains with gathered headings, making your curtains appear more luxurious and opulent. 9. Tie-top hooks. Tie-top hooks are perfect for adding a rustic, bohemian touch. These hooks allow you to tie the curtains directly to the rod, creating a casual, laid-back aesthetic. And there you have it. Those are the 9 different types of curtain hooks that can transform the look of your curtains and your entire space. Whether you're going for elegant pleats or a casual drape, choosing the right hook is key to achieving the perfect window treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more interior design tips from Floor Land. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.